So if you're watching this video, you're probably interested in a Highland home. And I'm going to show you this. We're going to walk all the way through it and have a detailed video tour. But hey, this is James Potenza, that Houston New Home Realtor. I encourage you to visit my YouTube channel. We actually show you the whole build process on these Highland homes, go through the framing process, and you can learn and decide for yourself if Highland is the builder for you. All right, let's go take a look at this model.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A nomad passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. My way. my way.
All right, I hope you like walking through model homes as much as I do. This is the Kingston, the Highland. I'm gonna put my contact information right up there, and also want you to go to my YouTube channel. I have hundreds of videos of not only model homes, but homes that are being in the build process. When I represent your best interest as your new home realtor, I'll film your home as it's being built and educate you on the whole process. All right, thanks again, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and go to my channel and watch all these videos. You'll love them. We'll see you.